In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Discord mic if it's not working in 2025. We'll walk through a few quick and effective steps to get your microphone back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First things first, it's important to check whether your microphone is functioning correctly outside of Discord. Open up another application like Zoom or a voice recorder app and do a quick sound check to make sure everything's in working order. Sometimes the fix is as simple as unplugging the mic and plugging it back in, or even trying a different USB port on your computer. If your microphone isn't working in other apps, the issue might be hardware related and you may need to replace it. Once you've confirmed that the mic itself is working, move on to checking your Discord settings. Open up Discord and click on the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. From there, navigate to the voice and video section. This is where you'll find all your input configurations. Ensure that under input device, your microphone is selected and it's not left on default. Also, make sure that the input volume is turned up. Sometimes a simple reset of these voice settings can resolve any hidden glitches, so click Reset Voice Settings if you continue to face issues. Next, let's double check that your system allows Discord to access your mic. If you're using Windows, head over to the Settings menu, then to Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. Ensure the setting for Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone is toggled on. If you're on mobile, navigate to your phone's app permissions and verify that Discord is allowed to utilize the microphone. Missing this step can sometimes be the culprit behind a non-responsive mic in Discord. Sometimes all your system needs is a simple restart to clear up any unseen issues. Close Discord completely, and when you reopen it, right-click the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. This can solve any permission-related issues that might be causing your trouble. Finally, it's crucial to keep your software up to date. Check for any available updates for Discord and install them. If updates don't remedy the problem, you might need to uninstall Discord completely. Be sure to delete any leftover files to ensure a clean reinstall of the latest version. This comprehensive approach usually patches any errors appearing in outdated versions. That's all for today's quick guide on fixing your Discord mic issues. With these steps, you should be back to chatting with your friends in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips in the future. Thanks for watching.